Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to know if someone is stalking you on Instagram. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up Instagram. Now you go ahead and check your stories right here. For example, you have one. For example, you have a story, right? When you go ahead and swipe up, you'll be able to see all the viewers in this specific post or story. Now, just regularly check the viewers of your stories, as unrecognized users or accounts that do not follow you but appear frequently, especially at the top, okay, at the top of the list, may be viewing your profile often or stalking you. Now, there are some reports when you go ahead over to your profile, okay, right here at the top right, we have the 3 horizontal lines. And when you go ahead over to who can see your content, you have here blocked, okay. Some users report that by navigating at the very bottom of this list, okay, these fellows right here are most likely creeping in your profile, okay? Well, those are just the user reports. So other ways to spot, for example, you have unusual activity on old posts that you have. So if a user consistently likes or comments on old pictures or stories shortly after they are posted, well, they are likely visiting your profile often. Another way is suspicious DMs or likes, okay? People who keep liking, disliking, or leaving unwanted comments, especially from burner or fake accounts, well, they are potential stalkers as well. So if you're being stalked, if you want to, you gotta block specific users or switch to a private account. And by doing so, this will ensure only approved followers can view your content. All right, and also avoid downloading third-party apps or visiting third-party websites that claims to show who visits your profile, as these are generally scams and can steal your login information, so be careful. But that's just basically it. Those are the ways to know if someone is stalking you on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.